See a DWL2 file in your AutoCAD project folder and wonder if it's safe to delete? This is a lock file AutoCAD creates when DWG files are open. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these AutoCAD drawing lock files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the DWL2 archive, even if it can't fully extract it. DWL2. Files are drawing lock files automatically created by AutoCAD when a DWG drawing is open to prevent simultaneous editing by multiple users. They store information about the user currently editing the drawing, including username, computer name, and access timestamp for collaboration management in shared environments. DWL2. Files contain plain text user identification data, including the editor's username, computer, hostname, and lock acquisition timestamp. The format complements DWL files with additional metadata for AutoCAD's file locking system, preventing data corruption from concurrent edits in network or multi-user environments. The best utility for reliable viewing of DWL2 is known to be AutoCAD by Autodesk. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows can build up temp files, so regular cleaning helps maintain storage space. Your first test is essential. Right-click the DWL2 file and select Open With. Use AutoCAD first if it is on your system. If not, select another option. We must find the program that handles the format correctly. If you cannot access the DWL2 file, no problem. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific DWL2 error occurs on your system. First, viewing in text editor. Open DWL2 files in Notepad or any text editor to view the lock information. The file displays the username and computer of the person currently editing the associated DWG file. This information helps identify who has the drawing open in shared network folders for coordination purposes. Next, resolving stuck locks. If AutoCAD reports a drawing is locked but no one is editing it manually, delete the DWL2 and DWL files for that drawing. This removes the lock, allowing the file to be opened normally. Only delete lock files when certain no one is actively editing the associated DWG drawing. Finally, preventing lock issues. Configure AutoCAD properly. Close drawings before disconnecting from networks to ensure lock files are removed automatically. Use AutoCAD's collaboration features like Sheet Set Manager or BIM 360 for proper multi-user workflows. These tools manage file access more reliably than basic file locking. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.